gotta pick this up off camera. Yo, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to a new video. Today is gonna be a gear install day, like you just saw. So, sorry guys, I just got out of the gym and my lens is fogging up. And you know, I'm kind of out of breath because you know we hit legs today, and I'm regretting driving this car right now because my legs are freaking tired. That's why I'm sitting down right now. Your boy gotta get that summer body, man. Summer 2019. So you know what I mean? Let's do it. Today we're gonna be dropping off the car at Miller Performance. It's in Ingleside, Texas, and I hope this is everything, man. I have the 373s in here. As you guys can see, I got the Motive Gear install kit. I got this from AM a while back. And it comes with the gasket, all the shims, the bolts. Oh, that's new hardware. Seals, axle bearings. There should be a pinion bearing, pinion seal also, because my pinion seal has been leaking since I got the car. It's not leaking, but my differential is wet, so that definitely needs to be changed. Excuse me. And these are the gears I showed you guys in one video. So yeah, hopefully, I'm pretty sure the car is geared. I would bet money on it that the car is geared. We will see what's going on when we go drop off the car. When we pick it up, we'll see what kind of gears it had in it. But you know, even if it has 373s, I'm not gonna be mad. It's getting a fresh set of gears, fresh set of seals, everything like that. I'm getting a pretty good price on it, you know, so I'm happy about that. I hope it's a pretty quick turnaround because today is, what day is it? Today is Tuesday. I was supposed to drop off the car yesterday, but I got into town late, so the shop closed, and I'm kind of on a pinch right now. And I'm looking for a ride because, of course, your boy needs a ride and no one's there. But when someone needs something, I'm always there. So you know, that's just kind of the way the world works. So my boy X said he'd pick me up. He always comes through, so we'll see what's up right now. Today is Tuesday, and the tuner that's gonna tune the car, he told me to hit him up on Thursday or Friday so we could schedule something. So hopefully the car is done by this weekend. That would be freaking awesome. And then we can get this car put on the dyno so we can see what it puts down. So let's call X real quick. He said he was doing something with his mom, so hopefully he's free by now and we can get a ride, man.
What's up?
Hello?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Same shit I was doing 20 minutes ago.
You think you could come through?
Huh?
You think you could come through or no?
When? Like in an hour?
I don't know. I think he closes down the shop at 5:30. I was gonna go drop off the car right now, but I don't know. I can't find a fucking ride anywhere.
Uber.
I'm low key about to catch an Uber, but it's all the way to fucking Ingleside.
There should be some already in Ingleside.
What?
And you just got to pay for it back.
Bruh.
Yeah.
You can't just take off real quick and go back? Are y'all real busy or what?
A little bit. I mean, I probably finished. I told her I was about to go eat here in a little bit, but I'll probably finish at like 4, probably like 45 minutes. I just got to run like these other pieces of pipe.
Alright.
I got to lay some pipe real quick.
Damn. Okay.
So, I'll text you when I'm done, and then just text me like if you already found a ride or not, but I'll text you as soon as I finish.
Okay.
Alright.
So, I'm kind of stuck right now. I don't know what to do. Kind of running out of options. I might take an Uber back. It's stupid bright out here. Alright, we copped a ride, boys. Everyone looks at me crazy, bro, when I'm holding this big ass camera with this tripod and shit. My neighbor pulled in like, what is this kid holding? We're gonna load the gears up real quick. Hey, if you guys, I know a lot of guys are asking me about my cam, so since the paper's already right here, here it is. So you guys can pause the video right here if you guys want to see the specs on my cams, you know. So we're gonna load the gears up real quick, and then we'll be on the road, guys. All right, here we go, boys. We just gotta wait for my boy to shut up. Oh, look at that brand new hood. Oh, you can see your boy in the reflection. Let's go. I guess it's the tradition. We get a cold start every single video, so let's do it. Car hasn't been turned on in a couple days, so let's get it. God, I'm freaking sweating already. I'm just waiting for my buddy right now to come follow me. He's gonna follow me all the way to the shop, and then me see who just texted me. Oh, the shop just called me. Yes, sir. Alright, Mr. James Miller, I'm on my way. So I just told him I'm on my way, and I asked him if he minds being on camera. I tell everyone that because, you know, some people get, you know, camera shy, or they just don't really want their face on camera. So I just messaged him right now. We will see if you guys will meet him right now, but we're waiting for my buddy to show up, and then we'll be on the freaking way, man. So let's do it. You ready? You ready? Yeah. Alright, so we're here at the gas station, and man, I shaved last night. I look like I'm 12 again. But we're here at the gas station. My buddy needs some gas, so I'm pretty good on gas. I have like a quarter and a half, so I'm good. Yeah, man. I thought my legs would hurt more because we just hit hella legs, but it kind of feels like my clutch is lighter now. And so he's gonna fill up real quick, and then we'll be on the road to Ingleside, and we'll show up at the performance shop. So we'll see you guys there. Here we go, man. We're here.
How you doing?
How you doing, sir?
Alright.
Is James here?
Yeah.
Alright, I was just meeting him here. I need to drop off my car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's out there on the phone.
Okay. What's your name?
Robert?
Robert?
I'm his
Chris.
dad.
Oh, you're his dad?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. The father-son type of thing?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
All the performance stuff is him.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, it said I had a gear installed for that.
If they
For my 96
then
Chevy.
it'll be me.
Oh, yeah?
Then he doesn't know what it is.
The push rod stuff?
Should be funny.
So shout out my boy Caleb coming picking me up. Everyone is fucking bullshitting. But yeah, man, Miller Performance. I was gonna record the guy, but he said he's not really a camera guy, so you know, I respect that. But he was just telling me, you know, these guys build race cars over here, and he has what?
No, my fucking phone.
Oh, yeah, they're building race cars. He has 5.0s here, Terminator swapped, 01 Cobras, all kinds of stuff. Oh my God, that's his bullet over there. Yeah, he has a bullet that's getting a Chem Bill supercharger on it, so I'm not worried at all, man. He was talking about the gears, because the gears were used and it might give off a whine, but I think we'll be fine. So I'll just keep you guys updated when I come back. He said it'll be a couple days, and then we're gonna hit the dyno, see what the car puts down. So we're gonna go grab some food. The boy's starving, so we'll hit you guys up in the next clip, I guess. You may pay up here or what?
Yeah. How you doing?
Oh, how you going? How's it going?
Alright. James.
James, David Reyes.
Robert.
I've seen you somewhere before. I've seen you before. Y'all change? You didn't change any of the carriers out on it, or nothing like that? Pinion bearings? Nothing.
The outer pinion bearing and then the inner bearings and stuff look
Everything. So you
good.
didn't change down the race.
Honestly, I really wouldn't replace stuff if it doesn't need to be replaced. All that stuff
Well,
looks fine.
Now I'm just making sure, like I was saying, because I told him it was going to be a lot more work than I call the races out
Yeah,
the inside and out.
Yeah, I just knocked off the one race because the outer bearing, you know, usually they're a pretty tight fit on the shaft of the pinion gear,
Right.
and it fell on, it was so worn out, so I went ahead and used the new pinion bearing because it was a tighter fit,
Right.
and then I set everything to spec on it, so.
But you don't use the same race that was on it.
No, I replaced the race bearing.
Yeah,
I've done a bunch of-
bearing.
I do a bunch of 8.8s, we got cars that are in
Right,
9s
right.
and stuff.
So you just replaced one of the bearings on the pinion.
Yeah, the outer bearing, and then I pulled the whole thing out. They had set the backlash was like 20,000, so it was way
Right.
out. So I went ahead and tightened up all the backlash in the rear end, and then they had caked the shit up with silicone.
Yeah, you were telling
the
me.
axle seals were leaking, and then you know the pinion seal was leaking.
Yeah, I
And
saw the
then they
pinion
had
seal.
Silicone the cover. They silicone the the housing, and then stuck the gasket on it, and then silicone over there. I was like, man, it was like
Shit
8 inch
inside.
thick. Yeah, it was a ton of it.
And then the pinion was loose on it, right? I mean,
It was a little, I mean, it was just worn in.
Yeah,
It was.
this one on the pinion side of the bearing.
It was just worn in. But
That runs synthetic in the back?
yeah, it's an Amsoil synthetic. Yeah, and then I use the friction modifier for that
That's what
track
I
box.
want.
Alright, so we need to stop and put gas real quick, and then I'll update you guys on what happened. Alright, so we're back. We just put gas in the car because the car had like less than a quarter of a tank, and we're like freaking 40 miles from my house, so it would have run out. But let's talk about what happened. So I was gonna put 373s in the car, as you guys know, but turned out the car already had 373s in it. So I already knew it was geared. I'm pretty sure the car is geared. I would bet money on it that the car is geared, because it kind of makes sense how we gapped the EcoBoost when we took off, when we were on MPI everything, and basically it just had a PI intake and like exhaust, and that's all it had. And I got out in front of that EcoBoost, and all of y'all were like, that's crazy, I didn't think you were gonna be able to like walk on him like that. And I think that's why, is because this car already had 373s, and this car has always felt strong to me. I believe when everyone says it's a magic gear now, because for sure my car felt a lot stronger than a lot of other, you know, just regular 2-valve cars, because it was already geared. So basically I ended up paying the guy anyways. Big shout out to James, man, thank you. The cop just passed me. Am I speeding? I don't think so, I think we're good. But thank you, James, I really appreciate it, bro. They do awesome work, man. Miller's Performance, I recommend them to anyone. They're gonna be putting the nitrous kit on for me, and you know what, man, they just do great work. I ended up paying the guy, it was like $390, which is, you know, actually pretty cheap, because everyone was trying to charge me like $450 for the gear install. And I had him pull the gears out, and he was checking the gears out and everything looked fine, so we ended up using the same gears that were in it. The backlash was off a little bit, so he corrected that, and he corrected the backlash. He changes the pinion seal. That's the reason why. You can see my dad right here. That's the reason why I went ahead and did it anyways. If it wasn't leaking at all, I would have just said him put the cover back on, put everything back together, and let's go. Well, he ended up changing the pinion seal for me. He put a better crush sleeve in there, because he said the stock crush sleeve would, you know, continue crushing on like hard launches on sticky tires and stuff like that, and this car's gonna be getting beat on. So he put a better a crush sleeve on there, and he changed the carrier bearing, and all of the other bearings look good. He said that they all look pretty brand new. So yeah, man, that's it. You know, I'm kind of happy that the car already has 373s in there, because now I know what gear the car has. But I'm kind of annoyed because the pinion seal was leaking. I would never have done this in the first place. But yeah, man. So today is Thursday, so this video will be going up on Tuesday, and I should be having the dyno tune getting done next week. So when you guys are seeing this on Tuesday, the car will be getting dyno tuned on Thursday or Friday. So the next video you guys will be seeing will be the dyno video. So I'm stoked for that. One thing that I'm kind of sad about is that it's a Dyno Max. It's not a Dyno Jet or a Mustang dyno, but it reads like a Mustang dyno. So as you guys heard, it's a freaking it's a heartbreak dyno. So we're not going to be seeing those numbers of the 300 range. We're probably going to see like 270, 260 if it's at 300 to the wheel. but you know, there's a way to calculate it from what kind of loss that the Mustang dynos bring, so we can see, you know, what it would do on a dyno jet. But I was really hoping to see the 300 wheel mark, but you know, he just doesn't have that dyno. But we're gonna get it tuned, and then we'll see what it does out there on the streets. I think it would do freaking amazing. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Want to say anything, Dylan? No. He's been being real quiet over here, respecting the video. But thank you guys so much, man. All right, you guys. So that, like I said, that's gonna go ahead and do it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. James, thank you too, man. You did awesome on the car. I can't wait for this nitrous install after this dyno run, because I want to see what the car does NA when it's dynoed. So after that, then we're gonna go ahead and throw the nitrous on. So I want to see what it's gonna do NA. So yeah, man, if you guys have anything want done to your car professionally, like, I'm gonna use this guy all the time now, man, because he's quick, he's reliable, and he's just good at what he does, bro. So like, let me show you this card real quick. If you guys are in the area, here you go. Main Street, Ingleside, Texas. So don't hesitate to give them a call. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, man. 3,000 subscribers were on the way. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. We're out, boys. Peace.
Nothing been the same since the first time I got close to you. I know you remember, was way back that December. Drowning in my pain, I ain't talking about the liquor.